The Argentine Air Force is exploring the possibility of obtaining used, inactive, CH-46C night helicopters from the United States. This development comes as the Argentine military faces difficulties in maintaining its fleet of Russian-made Mi-171E helicopters. An official request has been sent by the Argentine government to the United States to obtain the CH-46 medium-heavy transport helicopter. General Xavier Issac, chief of the Argentine Air Force, indicated that a contract has been signed with Columbia Helicopters, a company based in the United States, for renovation, modernization and possible modifications to the CH-46. Previously, the Argentine Air Force ordered two Mi-171Es in 2010 for $26.5 million. The two Mi-17Es have been used for operations in Antarctica since 2011. Maintenance of these helicopters problem due to Western sanctions against Russia. Attempts to find a maintenance solution in Peru, Colombia and Mexico were unsuccessful, as these countries were not certified to work on Mi-171E engines. About the CH-46C Knight is a tandem-engine transport helicopter designed by Boeing. This helicopter is capable of carrying up to 25 soldiers with complete equipment or a maximum payload of 1,800 kilograms. The CH-46 is powered by two turbine engines, which allow it to reach a maximum speed of 305 km per hour and a maximum altitude of 4,267 m. The helicopter is equipped with a variety of navigation and communication systems, so it can adapt to a variety of missions, including troop transport, medical evacuation and logistics operations. The CH-46C Knight itself has been retired from service with the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps. By air recognition, 25/8. General Xavier Issac said the Argentine delegation planned to visit the 309th Aerospace Maintenance and Regeneration Group in Arizona to assess the condition of the CH-46 availability. Initial plans call for the acquisition of 4 helicopters with an option to double the total order to 8 units.